Hello, dear friends! Today I'm here to help you revive your dull and damaged hair. As someone who has tried many hair masks, I've picked the most effective ones so that you can see results after just one use. We all want healthy, shiny hair, so I'm sharing with you the most effective masks you can easily prepare at home. Trust me, you'll feel the transformation in your hair right away. Let's get started. Olive oil and honey mask. A mixture of olive oil and honey provides perfect moisture and shine to your hair. Mix 1 tablespoon of olive oil with 1 tablespoon of honey and leave it on your hair for 20 minutes. After washing it out, you'll see how soft and shiny your hair looks. I didn't expect such a simple mixture to be this effective, but after trying it, I fell in love with it. 2. Avocado and coconut oil mask. Mix mashed avocado with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and apply it to your hair for 30 minutes. Avocado softens hair while coconut oil strengthens it. Your hair will become silky soft and you'll notice the difference immediately. I've been using this mask regularly. 3. Egg and yogurt mask. Egg strengthens hair, while yogurt gives it a natural shine. Mix 1 egg with 2 tablespoons of yogurt and leave it on for 30 minutes. If you use it once a week, your hair will be stronger and livelier. I first heard so many people rave about this mask, and now I fully believe in it. 4. Banana and olive oil. Mask mix half a banana with 1 tablespoon of olive oil and apply it to your hair. After leaving it on for 20 minutes, rinse it out. Banana softens hair, and when combined with olive oil, it makes your hair shine. My hair felt silky after using this mask. 5. Aloe vera and honey mask. Mix aloe vera gel with honey and apply it to your hair for 30 minutes. This mask moisturizes and strengthens your hair. If you haven't used aloe vera before, you should start now. Believe me, there will be a huge change in your hair. 6. Mayonnaise and olive oil. Mask mayonnaise softens and adds shine to hair. Apply some mayonnaise to your scalp and then add a bit of olive oil on top. Leave it for 20 minutes, then rinse it out. If you use it once a week, your hair will become incredibly soft and shiny. 7. Milk and honey mask. Mix 2 tablespoons of milk with 1 tablespoon of honey and apply it to your hair. After 20 minutes, rinse it out. This mask will give your hair a natural shine. It's hard to believe such a simple mask could be this effective, but the results speak for themselves. 8. Coconut oil and vitamin E mask. Add 1 capsule of vitamin E to coconut oil and apply it to your hair. Leave it for 30 minutes. This mask strengthens your hair and adds shine. If you haven't used coconut oil before, you must try it now. 9. Green tea and lemon juice mask. Brew some green tea, let it cool, and add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Leave it on your hair for 15 minutes. This mask provides a cleansing and refreshing effect. This simple mixture will give your hair an incredibly fresh and healthy look. Conclusion: when you apply these masks a few times a week, you will see how your hair transforms. I'm confident that your hair will become stronger, healthier, and shinier with these masks. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends.